boy, do you know there is now, from this video, there is now that I understand that all my gender, I'll not even say all my gender, some of my gender that want to run out from their marriage is because somebody is on their DM. A guy is on their DM telling them, come out from that marriage, I will take care of you. That is why you be doing cho-cho-cho when your husband is talking. Guests and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella. On this episode of Palava, oh boy, one lady is out here telling people that she's now out from her marriage. That all those people that are in her DM telling her, I love you, I do this one, I'll take care of you, that she's now out from her marriage, that they should start coming. It's not a made-up story. You need to see this video for yourself. Ife Kayobi was in a marriage, you wapta. Use your eyes, see this video first.
All those guys, where una dey? All those guys where they worry me when I see there with my husband. They chat me up and down. No. Upon those say I see there with my husband. No. Some of them no get fear. They disturb me, say number, this, that. They chat me, they say which day where I go find them come. Now where the opportunity don't come, none of them don't show face. So none of them they worry me again. The opportunity has come. Still back, none of them. No one call me again. They don't sleep finish. So now when I come up from my husband's house, now they happy. You see, this life no balance, so that's Nigeria for you. That's meant for us, we women.
Hey, in here, of course, the opportunity have come. Which opportunity have come? You come up cap. You don't fear anything. You don't even fear Tinubu economy. You come out from your marriage. You're not telling people that you are now out. You see what pressure can do to somebody. The truth is that most women are vulnerable. Let me tell you. Because small thing that you will be tearing, you now run out from your marriage. You don't use your eye now. See, say, I made a bad decision. You won't understand what you have until you leave your marriage. Nothing really there outside. You see, women that want to run out, it's not as if that we are not talking about the ones that are doing very well. It's those ones that we no get sense. Nothing they happen, they just want to go and flex. Why didn't you flex before getting married? Why didn't you do all those things before getting married? Now you want to run out. Now you have run out. You don't see now. Say nothing day. Women they talk in Nigeria is a common slogan. And men will stain your white. They don't stain this one white. It don't come out from marriage. I don't clear. They say breeze blue. Faunyash open. This one faunyash. It don't open. Faunyash don't open. You don't see say that guy that is taking care of you is trying. You know that man that is taking care of you, paying all the bills in the house is trying, because from the look of things, this one, home mega in the house. Now, it don't come out, can't they find who go give her money? The ones with money no day. Tinubu economy is hard. And what I talk about in Palava. You need to share this video as much as you can for people. For my gender, my young gender, you need to share this video as much as you can. Because most times, my gender don't understand. They don't grasp the depth of what I'm trying to run into. Now you have come out of your marriage. You see, say you don't turn second hand on the street. On this street, there are sharks and swordfish. Whale no white too. They throw away you. And some people are saying that once you are married and you leave your marriage, you don't turn second hand. They say you don't turn second hand. Now those people that are telling you to come out of your marriage to go and meet them, you will not see them. It will be cricket. You'll be seeing cricket. Nothing. This one, this is a clear example of No be as they sound as it is sweet. This is a clear example. About to akinu see ada auntie go say atono. This one you don't see him. Body go tell him if you are planning on leaving your marriage on no account or when you maybe body go tell you will meet crickets on the street. Nothing is going to happen to you. But I go in Tinubu economy. Until I come again, is Palava. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's continue the conversation on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella. Peace out.